Hi guys, welcome back. This is a 40 by 50 centimeter canvas that I am going to do a blow dryer pour on today with these colors. If you want to know how I mix these colors, you will see a video popping up right now, and that's how I do it. If you have any questions, don't be scared to ask. I will try and answer them. Okay, so let me get started. Let me just put them all by the side. Okay, I am going to start with this color. Let me just add it. The thing is, they are all very, very shiny. They have a pearlescent medium in it, or if it's iridescent, I'm not sure. But yeah, they're very lovely. So this will be a very, very shiny painting. I'm just layering them on top of each other. That way I will have a lot of depth in the painting. So this, I will blow it out first and see what that gives me. And from there on, we keep going. Well, I'm pretty much sure everybody saw that I put way too much paint on my canvas. Everything just got blown off, but yeah, that's fine. You don't want too much paint on your canvas, because the only thing that will happen is it will crack, and then it's just ruined. So yeah, it's annoying that you put too much paint, because it's a waste. But still, if you leave it on, it will still be a waste, because then you also wasted a canvas. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm just touching up the sides right now, just to make sure that every little bit has some paint to it. Every little corner, every little side, it all needs to have the paint. Okay. I am pretty happy with the colors, with the color scheme, with the shine of it all. Yeah, that's just perfect. Okay, so I will add some darker color to it. That was my permanent red violet, right, that was it. So I am going to add it. I'm just thinking of the composition right now, and I think I kind of like the diagonal. So I think I will just do it right here. I'm not sure if I will go all the way to the top of the painting. I will just start from here and see what's happening. Just right there. I do think I will go all the way like somewhere here, because I don't like how it starts right here in the center. So I'll just like make some loopy thing. So still use this same color, not too much, and I'll just blow that out. I'm not sure if you can see it right now, but because this is a different brand of paints, you get a lacing part happening, and that's just lovely. It's just beautiful right here. Very beautiful. Yep, this piece makes me happy. Alright, I will bring the camera closer so you can actually see what I mean with the lacing and the different types or the different brands of the paint. What happens with it. So guys, this is the painting. Okay, let me show you what I mean with lacing. When I talk about different types of paint, different brands of paint, then this is what you get. The lacing, it's some kind of cells. Yeah, that's just lovely. And here, oops, up here, you have the same thing going on. Right there. So yeah. I'm pretty happy with this painting, and I kind of like those colors. Maybe not for a whole painting again, but as some, I don't know, a contrast color, or just like to brighten a painting up, that would be perfect. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.